Okay. Put your hands all the way up. All the way. All the way. That's right. What does that mean to you? Oh, yeah. My arms, I can put them all the way out. High up in the sky. Ready? Do it again. Luke, can you go like this? Up here. Up. Up here? This high? You do? Yeah. Good boy. Ready? Yay! Can you go up like this? Yes. Yes. Higher and higher. You can hold the book while you stretch your arms. So strong. Ready? Ready? Up. Yes. 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 Is it when you're about to give a hug? You open your arms and you're about to give a hug? Hug. Hug. You almost fall down. It's okay. Ready? Yes. Good boy. Good boy. You have a lot of books there, huh? How about this one? What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? He goes, oof, oof. Oof, oof. Oof, oof. Elmo loves you. Okay, Baba. Ready? Go up in the sky. Up in the sky. Up in the sky. Yeah. Good boy. Monkey. Do you want to show everyone how you can sit up by yourself now? Ready? Lay back. Okay, ready? You can get up. You can get up. Or you can roll. That's fine too. It's fine too. Hi, good boy.